Welcome back to another recipe. Today we're doing a quick and easy, super simple copycat recipe. KFC's chicken bowls. And you're going to need some sprinkled cheese. I have some instant potatoes, only because I'm stretched on time. Otherwise I would make real potatoes. But this makes the recipe that much more simple. Cream style corn, only because we're not big fans of the whole kernel. You'll need some chicken gravy. Whether it comes from a jar, powder, or you make your own, that's completely up to you. Some popcorn chicken. And these are Pillsbury butter tasting biscuits. So some kind of biscuit. And this is going to be a very easy, simple recipe to follow. And it's going to be delicious. This recipe is so darn simple. You are literally just going to line a pan, spray it with spray. Dump your chicken, cook your biscuits at the same time. Evenly lay out your chicken, have your biscuits ready. They roughly need about the same time to cook, about 20 minutes. So pop this in the oven and we're going to move on to the next step. Well, next steps include just setting the cheese to the side. You're going to follow the directions on your potatoes. You also, to make these taste a little bit better, because right now you just add water to make these, and you could microwave them, you can stovetop them, whatever you want. Salt, pepper them, and you can also add a little extra butter for some extra taste, and they're not that bad. Just heat your corn up and heat your gravy up. Literally, that's all there is to this recipe. And then you just layer it in a bowl. How easy and simple. And it's going to be pretty tasty. And I believe it will be not only family friendly, but kid friendly as well. Our biscuits and chicken are done over here. And I just microwaved the potatoes and corn. I have potatoes, corn, gravy, the cheese, and we call this the making station. So now, time to fill your bowl. You can really do this however you want. Also, I want to add that you could make this like a casserole dish. If everybody in the family enjoys all the ingredients that you were going to put in there. We chose to do bowls. So, just put you some taters in there. This is so easy and simple. Like I said, I just microwaved most of these ingredients just because I'm pressed for time. But you add your corn. Chicken, some cheese, drizzle some gravy on top, and have your biscuit on the side, and you have a Copycat KFC chicken bowl. This smells delicious. I can't wait to dig in. I hope you guys enjoyed the super easy and simple, very quick family meal that you can make if you're on a budget. If you're not, you just want to try a copycat recipe. I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Stay tuned for more cooking videos. Check the description box for a In the Kitchen playlist with additional recipes. I thank you so very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.